Mount Etna eruption. Watch terrifying explosions as active volcano in Italy spews lava. Mount Etna, the active volcano in Sicily, Italy, has been erupting since Monday, petrifying a group of mountaineers climbing the 11-feet volcano. The intercrater eruption could only be seen from the top of the volcano, as a video posted by mountaineers climbing the active volcano shows. The footage shows the dramatic moment the most active volcano of Europe started erupting on Monday. The 11-feet volcano is situated on the coast of Sicily, Italy, in the metropolitan area of the city of Catania. Scientists have been warning the seismic activity of the volcano is slowly pushing the volcano into the Mediterranean Sea, sparking fears it could trigger cataclysmic landslides and tsunamis. Scientists from the Bulletin of Volcanology studying the volcano confirm the entire volcano is slowly sliding in an east-southeast direction towards a small coastal town of Gioia. The volcano is currently moving at an average pace of 14 millimeters, 0.55 inches, every year, but experts say this doesn't immediately raise the risk of danger around the area. The landscape surrounding Mount Etna is an ever-changing environment, and more pressing issues are of a higher concern to scientists. It is an active volcano, which means it is often spewing ash and gases from its peak. Lava from the January 2017 eruption formed a new crater on the volcano, which was later named Bocca Nuova, New Mouth. Locals who reside in the area around Etna could be at risk long term. According to volcanologist John Murray, of the Open University, Mr. Murray wrote, "The geological record shows that such sliding volcanoes are prone to devastating sector collapse on the downslope side. Etna has been restless and aggressive for millennia, with its first confirmed eruption occurring around 6000 BC. According to the Smithsonian, the volcano is constantly shifting and bubbling, with around 3 million people living under its shadow, within a 62-mile radius."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.